Today we'll be riding in Niko's 1991 BMW 325. This one is a little modified. Shit's so sick. He swapped in a M52 engine from a later model E36 and turbocharged it. It definitely gets your adrenaline pumping.
Yeah, second
Do you
gear.
feel like you just chugged one of those Celsius drinks?
Funny thing is, I just did.
So you get double the fucking feeling now, huh?
Yeah, dude.
Second gear pulls pretty strong.
Start, you kind of got to like ease into the throttle because they'll just fucking light them up right away. Even with 245. It sounded good in my head, but then I'm like, I'm getting greedy with tire size now.
Make sure you smash that like button, and if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. But for today, this is going to be it. Thank you for watching.